Welcome dosto to another unboxing video. Today it is not an unboxing of any telescope, but we are going to be unboxing spotting scopes. I have 4 different spotting scopes. The first one is the Celestron Ultima 65mm spotting scope. Then we have the Celestron Ultima 80mm, the Celestron Ultima 100mm spotting scope, and I also have another 100mm non-branded spotting scope imported directly from the factory in China. All 3 of them are branded, one of them is non-branded. All the spotting scopes are made in China. They're all waterproof waterproof spotting scopes. They all have FMC coating lenses, and they all have variable zooms of different magnifications. I will explain each and every spotting scope to you one after the other. We will also be mounting these spotting scopes on a Celestron DSLR camera tripod. I will also be attaching a DSLR camera to these spotting scopes to show you how you can capture images either with your DSLR camera or with your cell phone. You can attach aftermarket accessories like cell phone adapters also and attach your cell phone to these spotting scopes to capture images. Spotting scopes are generally used for outdoor activities like bird watching, wildlife safaris, and target shooting practices, in shooting ranges where people are learning how to fire their guns, and they need a spotting scope to find the target, to check the target. So let's not waste time. I will be unboxing all the spotting scopes one after the other, starting with the 65mm spotting scope. Then we move on to the 80 and the 100mm. मेरा नाम दर्शल पटेल from Tedraj & Company. My WhatsApp number is 9833974700 and my website address is www.tedraj.com. Let's not waste time and begin the unboxing. We have unboxed the Celestron Ultima 65mm spotting scope. Box के अंदर से निकली है इतनी सारी चीजें. Let me explain to you everything one by one. सबसे पहले इसका spotting scope का tube. Then there is a cover of the zoom lens. इसका front dust cap. Then there is an adapter. ये adapter से with the help of this adapter you can connect a DSLR camera. वो कैसे connect करते हैं मैं आपको आगे दिखाऊंगा. एक छोटा सा pouch दिया आपके eyepiece को रखने के लिए, zoom lens को रखने के लिए, और एक साथ में carry bag. Now let us assemble the entire spotting scope together in a very quickly. Okay, ये ऊपर आगे का front lens खोलिए. Spotting scopes are very easy to assemble. Made be a 65mm spotting scope or a 100mm spotting scope. They're very simple. लेंस रखिए यहाँ पे, जूम लेंस. यहाँ पे इसका जो नीचे का जो रिंग है, just rotate the ring and lock it on to your telescope body, to your spotting scope body. This is an 18 to 55x zoom spotting scope. इसका जो आगे का जो zoom lens है, with the help of when you rotate this zoom lens, you can move in and out. You can zoom in and out of any object that you're observing. This has a 65mm lens diameter and a focal length of 382mm. It's very lightweight. It can be easily mounted on any DSLR camera tripod. I would recommend you buy a good quality DSLR tripod rather than buying a very cheap quality tripod that are available everywhere in the country. This is a waterproof, nitrogen-filled, waterproof, or basically all Celestron Ultima spotting scope, made be the 65mm or the 80mm or the 100mm. They're all waterproof. Even the 100mm non-branded spotting scope that I'm about to unbox, even that is a waterproof spotting scope. The closest object that you can observe through this particular spotting scope is 20 feet. And the furthest away object that you can see is infinite. I mean, it depends on your line of sight. आपका line of sight clear है कि नहीं, आपको सामने का bird दिख रहा है नहीं दिख रहा है, आपको सामने का mountain दिख रहा है कि नहीं दिख रहा है. कई लोग मुझे पूछते हैं कि इसका maximum distance, कोई भी telescope हो या spotting scope हो, people ask me questions like ये कहाँ तक देख सकते हैं हम लोग? What is the furthest object that we can see? कितना किलोमीटर? Telescopes or spotting scopes are not measured in the distance from the spotting scope or the telescope till that particular object. It is not measured in kilometers. You can even see the moon for that matter. You can even see the sun for that matter. So for example, if you want to see the sun, you have to buy an aftermarket solar filter. These solar filters we have manufactured at Tedraj & Company. This specific solar filter is designed for this particular spotting scope. You can contact us on WhatsApp. If in case you have this spotting scope, if you want to buy the spotting scope, you can buy aftermarket accessories like a solar filter. You can fit the solar filter right over here. Side के 3 screws से उसको lock करिए. आपका firmly tight हो गया. Now you can directly point to the sun and observe the sun and sunspots. It has a zoom, which means that you can zoom in and zoom out of any object. When you zoom in, you will see sunspots. Apart from the solar filter, you can even buy a cell phone adapter. Cell phone adapter is also very easy to use and operate. Just open your cell phone adapter, ये hole खोलिए, अंदर fit करिए, and you can lock it over here. ऐसे. You can connect your phones. You can connect your phone directly on the eyepiece. जो भी आपके eyepiece के अंदर जो भी दिखेगा, वो directly आपके phone में आप capture कर सकते हो. Apart from your cell phone, you can even connect a DSLR camera adapter to the 65mm spotting scope. Now let me show you how to do that. ये जो eye cup है, rubber eye cup है, इसको निकालिए. ये एक छोटा सा adapter दिया है साथ में. Take your adapter, directly यहाँ पे lock करिए. Okay, ये fit हो गया. Now, in my case, I have a Canon DSLR camera, and I need a Canon T-Ring. Remember, a mirrorless camera cannot be attached to the 65mm spotting scope. Why? Because this is an M42 adapter. Sorry, ये जो adapter मैंने fit किया था, this is an M42 adapter. Now take your Canon camera, directly Canon camera को T-Ring के साथ connect करिए. ये connect हो गया, and this is how you fit a DSLR camera to your 65mm spotting scope. Now, the 65mm Celestron Ultima spotting scope does not come with a tripod, neither a tabletop tripod nor a long tripod. वो आपको tripod अलग से खरीदना ही पड़ेगा. I will show you the tripod. This is a Celestron branded DSLR camera tripod. You can buy this tripod, और ये tripod पे not only can you attach your DSLR cameras for photography, but you can even attach your spotting scopes on this. Now, how do we do that? I'll show you that. ये ट्राइपॉड मैंने असेंबल कर लिया. इसका असेंबली बहुत ही सिंपल है. इसका अनबॉक्सिंग वीडियो बनाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. ये ट्राइपॉड के ऊपर इसका एक क्लिप है. ये क्लिप को खोलिए ताकि ये पार्ट, इसका ये हेड बाहर आ जाए. पीछे एक नट दिया हुआ है. टेक योर स्पॉटिंग स्कोप, और नीचे ये जो होल है ना, ये होल में आपका ये स्क्रू डायरेक्ट लॉक होगा. रोटेट करिए और लॉक करिए इसको सीधा. ये फर्मली लॉक हो गया. नाउ आई हैव टू टेक माई स्पॉटिंग स्कोप, प्लेस इट ऑन द फ्रंट ओवर हियर, और ये क्लिप को वापस लॉक करिए. आफ्टर यू लॉक इट एंड यू आर गुड टू गो. ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन रिड्यूस द हाइट. ये मैंने एक्सेसिव हाइट कर दिया. यू कैन रिड्यूस द हाइट ऑफ द स्पॉटिंग स्कोप. यू कैन कैप्चर लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस इमेजेस. ऑफ कोर्स द स्पॉटिंग स्कोप्स आर नॉट डिजाइन फॉर गैलेक्सीज एंड क्लस्टर्स. ऑब्जर्वेशन के लिए ये you may see a couple of bright galaxies and clusters, but photographing galaxies and clusters through a spotting scope, I don't think that's possible. Maybe it is possible in a dark area like Spiti Valley, जहाँ पे where there's almost zero light pollution. Maybe in such areas you can photograph galaxies and clusters, but again you will need a precision go-to mount. DSLR camera tripod पे mount करने के बाद you cannot take photographs of galaxies and clusters, not even planets. Why not planets? क्योंकि कोई भी spotting scope का जो magnification power होता है ना, it will range anywhere between 20 to 60 or 65x. 20 and 60x magnification powers are not very suitable for zooming into a planet and to see Saturn rings. Yeah, you can see moon craters. Moon craters 20 और 60x का magnification होता है ना, that is more than enough for you to magnify or zoom into the moon and see the moon craters. Yes, you can photograph the moon craters. Sun, yes, you can photograph the sun. Buy a solar filter. Sun के spots capture कीजिए, या तो फिर अपने DSLR कैमरा से, या तो फिर अपने cell phone adapter से. Alright? Now let's move on to the next spotting scope. Let's not waste time. Move on to the 80mm spotting scope. We have now unboxed the Celestron Ultima 80mm spotting scope. This is a 20-60 80mm spotting scope. Let me confirm that. Yes, it's a 20-60 80mm spotting scope. So what do these numbers mean? 20 or 60 का जो number है ना, first two numbers are the zoom. So you can use this spotting scope to magnify anywhere between 20 and 60x, and the 80 is the lens diameter. इसका आगे का जो front objective lens है, that is 80mm. This is also a waterproof spotting scope. This is an FMC coated optics. Even the 65mm spotting scope is an FMC coating optics, which means that they are highly multi-coated optics, which are very good in quality. They are waterproof, they are nitrogen purged, and you can also attach this on a DSLR camera tripod. टेलीस्कोप के बॉक्स के अंदर से निकला है ये स्पॉटिंग स्कोप. इसका ये zoom eyepiece, ये इसका zoom eyepiece है. The zoom eyepiece is ranging from 20x all the way till 60x. Okay, इसका front dust cap, and they've given you another small pouch to keep your eyepiece, to keep your zoom eyepiece, and another bag to keep your spotting scope inside. Remember, you do not get a tripod. Tripods have to be bought separately. Cell phone adapters have to be bought separately. DSLR camera attachments have to be bought separately, and a solar filter for that matter, जो मैंने 65mm में दिखाया, even the solar filter, if you want to see the sun and sunspots, you have to buy it separately. Unlike the 65mm spotting scope, the Celestron 80mm Ultima does not come with this adapter. ये adapter की जरूरत नहीं है इसमें, ये adapter खाली 65mm में आता है, इसमें adapter नहीं आता है. I'll tell you why. ये इसका zoom eyepiece है. First, let us connect the zoom eyepiece to the telescope or the spotting scope. Okay, rotate करिए, खोलिए इसको. Take your zoom eyepiece, put it here, और ये नट से इसको लॉक कर दीजिए. Done. Zoom eyepiece locked. और इसका ये rubber eye cap फिट कर दीजिए. इसका rubber eye cap आ गया. Now, magnification power, as I said earlier, is 20 to 60x. You can directly lock it on a DSLR tripod. इसको lock करिए DSLR tripod पे. You can start observing. This is how you rotate and zoom an object, and this is your focusing mechanism. ये घुमाने से this is your focusing mechanism. The same, there's a focusing mechanism on the 65mm spotting scope also. उसका भी focusing mechanism same है, इसका भी same ही focusing mechanism है. Now, जो DSLR कैमरा, जो अडेप्टर की मैंने पहले बात की थी, जो इसके साथ नहीं आता है, खाली 65mm के स्पॉटिंग स्कोप के साथ आता है. क्यों नहीं आता है? बिकॉज इसका जो जूम आईपीस है ना, इसका ये रबर रिंग खोलिए. टेक योर टी रिंग. ये मेरा कैनन का टी रिंग है, M42. आई कैन डायरेक्टली टेक माई टी रिंग एंड डायरेक्टली रोटेट इट. इसका जो जूम आईपीस है ना, जूम आईपीस के ऊपर ही थ्रेडिंग दिया हुआ है, सो यू कैन डायरेक्टली टेक योर टी रिंग एंड डायरेक्टली कनेक्ट इट ओवर हियर. डन. आपका DSLR कैमरा लीजिए और सेम तरीके से जहाँ पे हमने जैसे इस पे कनेक्ट किया वैसे ही आप इस पे भी कनेक्ट कर सकते हो, and you can start taking photographs. Now let's move on to the 100mm spotting scope. This is the Celestron 100mm spotting scope. The zooming magnification power of this particular spotting scope is from 22x till 66x. इसका focal length है 540mm. This also comes with an FMC coated optics, which means they are multi-coated optics. Waterproof. They are all nitrogen purged. Even the 65, the 80 and the 100mm spotting scopes are waterproof, nitrogen purged. All three come with back 4 prisms inside the body. उसके साथ आपको आता है 8x24 का zoom eyepiece. उसके साथ उसका dust cap, उसका एक pouch है. You also get a carry bag, a padded carry bag with the spotting scope, and you get an extendable plate. ये extendable plate क्यों दिया हुआ है? Now, when you compare a 100mm spotting scope with a 65 and an 80mm spotting scope, इसका वजन अंदाज से 3 किलो का है. Now, when you directly mount a 3 kilo spotting scope on a tripod, it is many a times misbalanced. उसको perfect balancing देने के लिए Celestron has given you an extendable plate. Extendable plate को कैसे इस्तेमाल करते हैं मैं आपको आगे दिखाऊंगा. Right now, let's begin with assembling the eyepiece on top of the spotting scope. Take your spotting scope, आगे का dust cap, ये पीछे का dust cap निकाल दीजिए. Take your zoom eyepiece. इसका zoom eyepiece lock हो गया. Now, इसको rotate करने से, when you rotate this, you can zoom from 22x all the way to 66x. You can buy an aftermarket solar filter. This is manufactured by us at Tej Rajan Company. Take the solar filter, यहाँ पे ऊपर fit करिए, side पे 3 screws है, तीन screw को lock करिए, and you can now observe the sun. You can see sun spots, and you can even observe the eclipse whenever there's an eclipse event, solar eclipse event. Okay, it is completely safe to see the sun. The filters that we are using with the solar filter are 1000 oak solar filter. They are imported from the USA, and they are completely safe. They are ISO certified solar filters. Now, let's connect a DSLR camera. How to connect a DSLR camera to this particular spotting scope is also as easy as it was earlier in the 80mm. इसका ऊपर का rubber cap निकालिए. Take your Canon T-ring. You will have to buy a Canon or a Nikon T-ring, जो भी आपका कैमरा, but you need an M42 T-ring. ये मैंने M42 T-ring लिया. Directly इसके ऊपर rotate and fit. Now you can take your DSLR camera, directly connect your DSLR camera to this particular spotting scope, and you can start taking photographs. You can either attach a DSLR camera or you can buy an aftermarket cell phone adapter. This is a metal cell phone adapter that is available at Tej Rajan Company. You can buy the metal cell phone adapter, connect your phone to it and capture images. Now let me show you how to connect this particular extendable adapter with the spotting scope and the tripod. ये आपका adapter लीजिए, spotting scope के नीचे hole है. You directly fit this particular screw into the hole over here. Locked. Now, tripod के ऊपर से ट्राइपॉड के हेड के ऊपर से ये क्लिप खोलिए और ये इसका ऊपर का पार्ट निकालिए, ये ऊपर का पार्ट निकालिए। ये जो स्क्रू है ना, दिस स्क्रू ओवर हियर विल डायरेक्टली फिट इन वन ऑफ द स्क्रूज हियर। इसको अंदर डालिए और स्क्रू से लॉक करिए। दैट्स इट, ये हो गया, आपका ये फिटिंग हो गया है। नाउ आई कैन डायरेक्टली टेक माई DSLR कैमरा ट्राइपॉड, इन दिस केस आई हैव द Celestron ट्राइपॉड। इसको फिट किया यहाँ पे एंड लॉक इट। दिस इज हाउ यू अटैच a spotting scope to a DSLR camera tripod. It was that simple. Now from here you can now balance your Celestron spotting scope on this particular plate. If you think the weight is more on that side, you can push it back and bring it closer. इसका center of gravity ढूंढिए और इसको lock करिए। This is how you do it. अंदर देखिए, ये निकाल दीजिए। Or you can connect your DSLR camera if you want. In this case, let me remove the T-ring. Take a rubber eye cap, place it on the top, and you can start observing from here. सोलो, अगर सन देखना तो सोलो फिल्टर अटैच करना 100% जरूरी है। अगर सन नहीं देखना है तो ऑफ कोर्स यू हैव टू रिमूव द सोलो फिल्टर। द सोलो फिल्टर इज ओनली फॉर यू टू सी द सन, nothing else. You can directly peep into the eyepiece, into the zoom eyepiece, focus from here. Once you get a sharp image, and then you can zoom in and zoom out with the spotting scope. That is all there is in the 100mm Celestron spotting scope. Now let's move on to the unbranded 100mm spotting scope, which is also made in China. This is also made in China, and the other two are also made in China. This is the unbranded 100mm spotting scope that we have imported directly from the factory in China. बॉक्स के अंदर से निकला है ये 100mm spotting scope। साथ में उसके साथ आया है इसका एक ट्राइपॉड। इसका जूम मैग्निफिकेशन है from 25x all the way up to 75x. You get a much more better quality padded carry bag with this particular spotting scope. I have to say this padded carry bag is better than what we are receiving in the Celestron's 65, 80 and 100mm Ultima series of spotting scopes. You get a front and back dust cover. Now this particular spotting scope, सबके advantages और disadvantages होते हैं, right? इसका advantage ये है that it is coming with a tripod and it is far more cheaper than the Celestron's 100mm spotting scope. Disadvantage is ये particular spotting scope पे आप DSLR कैमरा ट्राइपॉड, आप DSLR कैमरा कनेक्ट नहीं कर सकते हो। क्यों? क्योंकि इसका ये जो zoom lens है ना, ये zoom lens पे they have not given any kind of threading where you can connect a T-ring. So you cannot connect a DSLR camera, but a DSLR camera may be a Nikon or a Sony or a Canon camera to this particular tripod. You can do this particular spotting scope. You can use this spotting scope only for visual observation, may it be daytime terrestrial observation or moon observation or solar observation. ये particular spotting scope के लिए भी हम लोग ने सोलो फिल्टर डेवलप किया हुआ है। This is a solo filter that we have custom manufactured for this particular spotting scope. Directly इसको लीजिए, आगे फिट करिए और ये तीन स्क्रू से उसको साइड से लॉक करिए and it will hold on to this particular spotting scope. Now ये जो ट्राइपॉड साथ में आया है, अगेन असेंबली joining the tripod with the spotting scope is very easy. यहाँ पे ये जो मेटल स्क्रू दिख रहा है आपको स्टेनलेस स्टील का, ये मेटल स्क्रू डायरेक्टली इसके ऊपर लॉक होगा and you can connect, you can mount your spotting scope on this particular tripod. मैंने इसको कनेक्ट किया, now I can move the spotting scope in any direction I want and I can lock it by twisting this handle. When I turn and twist the handle, the spotting scope stays right over there. Now all I have to do is peep inside. Front dust lens निकाल दिया, yes. You have to peep inside, you have to focus from here, just like any other spotting scope. इसका भी focusing mechanism यही knob पे है। Celestron 65, 80 और 100mm का भी spotting scope का focusing knob यही बाजू है। All you have to do is just peep inside, focus and get a sharp image. The moment you get a sharp image, you have to leave the spotting scope. Remember, आप उसको हाथ लगा के पकड़ के मत रखना। आप जितना स्पॉटिंग स्कोप्स हो या टेलीस्कोप्स हो, आप जितना उसको टच करोगे, जितना उसको हाथ में पकड़ के रखोगे, उतना आपका अंदर का इमेज वाइब्रेट होता है। So allow the image to stabilize by leaving the spotting scope and just peeping inside. ऐसे आँख अंदर पीप के खाली देखना है। That is all you have to do in this particular spotting scope. This is also a waterproof spotting scope. This is also FMC coated optics, which means that they are high quality multi-coated optics. Waterproof, fog proof, yes. Can you attach a DSLR camera? No, you cannot attach a DSLR camera. Can I use the spotting scope for daytime terrestrial observation, for bird watching, for shooting ranges? Yes, you can use it. Can I use it for solar observation? Yes. Can I use it for moon observation? Yes. Can I use it to observe bright galaxies and clusters? Yes, you can use both the 100 mm spotting scopes to observe bright galaxies and clusters. Why 100 mm? Because the larger the lens diameter, the more light it will gather. Galaxies or clusters के light बहुत faint होते हैं. So I would recommend you go for a spotting scope as large as possible. If you don't want to buy a telescope, if you don't want to go for a telescope, then spotting scopes are good options. They are lightweight and portable, easily movable. You can transport it wherever you want. You can either use this tabletop tripod, or you can buy an aftermarket DSLR camera tripod and mount this same spotting scope over here and continue your observation. That was all for today, my friends. I have showed you the 65mm Ultima, the 80mm Ultima, the Celestron 100mm Ultima, and the non-branded 100mm spotting scope from our inventory. I hope you guys have liked this video. If you have liked the video, please like and subscribe. It takes us a lot of time and effort to make all these videos. My name is Darshan Patel from Tej Raj & Company. My WhatsApp number is 9833974700. And my website address is www.tejraj.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.